Hello, in this lesson we're going to learn some greetings and some basic phrases in Greek. The most basic words you need to know are ne, yes, and όχι, no. Then there is γεια σου, which means hello, or καλημέρα, καλημέρα, good morning, καλησπέρα, good evening, and καληνύχτα, good night. Then you can ask πώς είσαι or πώς είστε, which is more formal. It means how are you, πώς είσαι. The answer to this is είμαι καλά, ευχαριστώ. I am good, thank you. And then you must ask back εσύ or εσείς. Εσείς is the formal way to say it. It means and you. So it is γεια σου, πώς είσαι, είμαι καλά, ευχαριστώ. Εσύ. And then we have παρακαλώ, which means welcome, and it also means please. Then we have συγγνώμη, συγγνώμη, which means I'm sorry. And it is very common to say τι νέα, which means what's new with you, τι νέα. And finally you have to say goodbye, so it is addio, addio. Now let's learn some phrases for introducing ourselves. First one is πώς σε λένε or πώς σας λένε, formal way. It means what is your name, πώς σε λένε. Με λένε or το όνομά μου είναι, my name is. Με λένε, το όνομά μου είναι. Then you say χάρηκα για τη γνωριμία, or you can say χαίρο πολύ, which means nice to meet you. Χάρηκα για τη γνωριμία and χαίρο πολύ. Από πού είσαι, or for more formal, από πού είστε. It means where are you from, από πού είσαι. Είμαι από, I am from, let's say, από πού είσαι. Είμαι από Ελλάδα. Where are you from? I am from Greece. So, I think these are the most basic beginner phrases. In the next lesson we are going to learn the personal pronouns and the verb to be. Thank you for listening.